There are different types of manufacturing industries or factories which can be categorized on different bases like size, the type of raw materials that is used or inputs, the type of products that is produced by these industries, that is output, and also on the basis of ownership, the industries can be classified into different bases. On the basis of size, the industries can be classified as cottage industry, small scale industries, and large scale industry. This categorization is basically on the basis of amount of capital that is invested, number of workers that is employed, and also the volume of production. The industries are identified as cottage and small scale industries or as large scale manufacturing industries. Now, cottage industries, as the name indicates, these are also known as household industries. These are the smallest manufacturing units that we know, and these are localized units where the artisans with the local raw materials and simple tools produce different type of products by using the labor of the family members or sometimes part-time laborers. These industries which manufacture such products which is locally consumed and are of household type, these are called cottage or household industries. On the basis of size, we also identify industries as small scale industries. These are manufacturing units which are different from household industries because here machines are used, though on a small scale. Laborers are also hired who are used in the manufacturing process, and the machines are maybe power driven, or the utilization of laborer may be skilled or semi-skilled, but the whole manufacturing process is on small scale, and the production is also not very large. In India, such industries, which are also identified as SSI or small scale industries, these are the industries which where the investment of capital is between 25 lakhs to 5 crores. These are identified as small scale industries or manufacturing units. Besides, on the basis of size, industries are also identified as large scale manufacturing centers or units. These involves a large market. Various raw materials are used. Enormous energy is required in the manufacturing process. Specialized and skilled workers may be employed. It also uses advanced technology, and it may be that assembly line mass production may be utilized in the whole manufacturing process. It employs thousands of workers across multiple countries, and the production is also very large. In India, those industries where the capital investment may be more than 10 crores, these are identified as large-scale industries. Industries are also classified on the basis of raw material that it uses. For example, it may be classified as agro-based industries, it may be identified as mineral-based industries or chemical-based industries or forest-based industries, animal-based industries, on the basis of the raw material or the source of raw material for the industry. Agro-based industry, as the name indicates, its source of raw material is agriculture and related activities. And it includes such industries like food processing, even Industries like cotton textile industry, which has the source of raw material from agriculture, the sugar industry, these all come under the category of agro-based industry because these get the raw material or they have the source of raw material from agriculture. Other type of industries on the basis of raw material are mineral-based industries. As the name indicates, these industries are those industries which uses different type of minerals which is extracted from different parts of the different parts of the earth. It may be metallic industry or non-metallic industry, or it may be ferrous in metallic industry also, it may be ferrous industry. So on the basis of raw materials that is used, industries can be classified as mineral-based industry also. Another type of industry that is identified on the basis of the type of raw material that is used is chemical-based industries. Such industries use natural chemical minerals, example mineral oil like petroleum. It is used in petrochemical industry, salts, sulfur, potash industries also use natural minerals. Chemical industries are also based on raw materials obtained from wood and coal. Synthetic fiber, plastic, etc. all come in the category of chemical-based industries. Besides those industries which have the source of raw material from forest, these are called forest-based industries. One of the best example of forest-based industry is the paper industry, the matchbox making industry, etc. Animal-based industries are those which have the source of raw material from the animal products, like leather industry is an important industry in this category, woolen textile industry, etc. Industries are also based on the type of output or the type of production, and on this basis the industries are identified as basic industries or consumer goods industries. Those industries whose product is used by some another industry as raw material is called basic industry. For example, iron steel industry. The iron steel produced in the iron steel industry is used by different metallurgical industries for making machines or automobile industry. So iron steel industry is the best example of basic industry. Besides those industries which produce goods which are consumed by the consumers directly, for example, breads, biscuits, soaps, paper for writing, which is used directly by the consumers for satisfying their needs, these are called consumer goods industry. Besides, industries can also be classified on the basis of ownership, and on that basis, industries are classified as public sector industries, private sector industries, joint sector industries also. Public sector industries are those which are owned by the government, and these type of industries are basically common in socialist countries. These are also known as public sector undertakings or PSUs. Mixed economies have both public sector industries and private sector industries. As the name indicates, private sector industries are owned by individual investors or group of investors. These are managed by the private organizations and is a feature of capitalist countries. Besides, other type of industry on the basis of ownership is joint sector industries, which are those industries which are owned by both the government and the private sector or a group of individuals. It is jointly owned by the government and the individual or group of individual. For example, in our country, the best example of that is Maruti Suzuki. which is the most popular automobile industry in our country. So that is in the joint sector industry. The government also has the ownership in the Maruti Suzuki company, and Suzuki has also share in that, and that's why it is known as the joint sector industry. These days, because of the technological advancement, there is a concept of high technology industry also, which are actually related with application of intensive research and development, and such efforts which lead to manufacturing of products of a very advanced scientific and engineering character. These types of industries are identified as high technology industry. Here professional workers are a big part of the total workforce, which we also identify as white collar workers. And the places where these industries are concentrated, a new term is used to identify that, and these are technopolis. Actually, high-tech industries which are regionally concentrated, self-sustained, and highly specialized are called technopolis. And the best example of such technopolis is Silicon Valley near San Francisco in the United States of America, and Silicon Forest near Seattle in USA. These are examples of technopolis. In our country, Bangalore has also emerged as a technopoly because large-scale high-tech industries have developed over there, and this is a new development in the industrial categorization, and which we categorize as high technology industry sector.